Flex versus Empower. Which app has better rent payment options for landlords? So, are you a landlord tired of chasing late rent payments or unsure if your tenant will have the funds on the first of the month? In this video, we're comparing two popular financial apps, the Flex and Empower, to help you decide which one offers the best rent payment solutions for landlords. We're talking about reliability, consistency, ease of use, and the kind of support these platforms provide for your income stream. So, whether you're managing one property or several, stick around as we break down which app could give you more peace of mind and better financial stability. So, number one, understanding Flex, a rent payment platform by design. What is Flex? Flex is a dedicated rent payment platform built to help renters split their rent into smaller, more manageable payments, usually weekly or bi weekly. But it's not just about helping tenants. Flex is also designed to protect landlords' interests by ensuring on time payments every month. So, what are the key features of landlords? Full rent paid upfront. Landlord receives 100% of the rent on the first of each month. No delays, no partial payments. Flex fronts the money and collect it from the tenant over time. Landlord doesn't need to sign up. This is a major plus. You don't need to create an account or change how you receive rent. Tenants simply link their landlord's existing rent portal or bank details, and Flex handles the rest. Number three, no fees for landlords. Flex charges tenants a monthly subscription and, in some cases, a small interest fee, but landlords don't pay anything for the service. Also improves on-time payment rates because tenants can split rent into smaller chunks. They're less likely to miss payments, and that means fewer late fees and less stress for you. The bottom line for Flex. Flex is ideal for landlords who want to guarantee timely rent payments without changing how they operate. It puts the burden on the tenant while keeping your cash flow uninterrupted. Now, understanding a financial wellness app. What does Empower? Empower is a personal finance app that focuses on cash advances, budgeting tools, automatic savings, and spending insights. Unlike Flex, Empower is not built specifically for rent, but tenants may still use it to help make rent payments. What are the key features for landlords? Indirect rent assistance. Tenants can request up to $250 in cash advances, which can be used toward rent. However, this depends entirely on the tenant's approval and financial history. No landlord portal or payment tools. Landlords can receive payments directly from Empower. There's no formal system for rent, collection, or scheduled deposits. Banking features may help tenants automate rent. Empower's built-in banking tools allow tenants to schedule transfers, automate savings, and potentially avoid overdrafts. But again, these are tenant-driven features. Bottom line for Empower, Empower may help individual tenants who are financially struggling, but from a landlord's perspective, there's no guarantee you'll be paid on time or in full. It's more of a support tool than a payment solution. Now let's move on to head-to-head comparison table. So for Flex, designed for rent payments, yes, Empower no. Guarantees full rent upfront, yes, Empower no. Direct landlord integration, indirect tenant setup but reliable. This one is none. Landlord fees, none. None. Tenant support tools, split payments due date flexibility, cash advance budgeting tools. Risk or late missed rent, low. Empower, moderate to high. Control over payment process, consistent and structured. Entirely tenant managed. Before the final verdict, let's look at the advantages for landlords. So, the advantages for this, what we call flex, is that for timely payments, landlords receive the full rent amount at the beginning of the month, ensuring consistent cash flow. Automated collection. Flex handles the collection of rent from tenants, reducing administrative tasks for landlords. The disadvantages for lenders, of course, tenant eligibility. So tenants must pass a credit check and meet certain financial criteria, which might limit the pool of eligible renters. Service fees. While landlords receive full rent payment, tenants are charged fees, which could lead to dissatisfaction and potential payment issues, and also customer support concerns. For Empower, let's see what is the advantage of this. So for the Empower's advantage, so advantages of Empower: cash advance up to $250, no interest or late fees, can help users cover short-term emergencies. Also, it has automatic savings tools, help users set it and forget savings goals, automatically transfer small amounts into savings based on user spending patterns, budgeting and spending tracking, early paycheck access, no overdraft fees or minimum balances, cashback and perks, user-friendly app interface. While the disadvantage, monthly subscription fee, $8 per month after 14-day free trial could be a downside if you're not using most of its features, of course. Cash advance limits, no dedicated rent payment feature, eligibility requirements for cash advance, limit investment or credit building tools, and customer service. So now for final verdict, which is better for landlords. If you're a landlord looking for a predictable income, Flex is by far the better option. You will get the full rent on time every month. There's no cost or setup required from your side. Your tenants benefit too, with the flexibility to pay in smaller chunks. Empower, on the other hand, is better for tenants who need emergency funds or budgeting help. It's not designed for rent transactions, and landlords have no visibility or assurance of payment through Empower. So for summary table, feature for Empower tool, cash advance, helpful in emergencies. For rent payment tools, not available for Empower verdict. Budgeting tools, strong. Subscription fee, $8 per month. Saving automation, convenient. Investment options, not available. Customer support, mixed reviews. So, Empower is a solid choice for individuals needing basic financial management, short term cash advances, and budgeting tools. However, it is not suitable for landlords or for managing payments, which makes it less versatile than apps like Flex in that specific. So, for this tutorial, why Flex wins for landlords? Rent payment function designed specifically for rent payments. Empower, no rent specific features. Landlord payments, pays landlords full rent upfront. Empower, not supported. Tenant installment option, tenants can split rent payments. Empower, not applicable. For automated collection, it reduces manual effort for landlords. Empower, no automation tools. Landlord focus, built with landlord and tenant systems. For Empower, built for personal finance users. Thanks for watching. If you're a landlord, what's more important to you? Guaranteed payments or tenant flexibility? Let us know in the comments below. Thank you for watching and see you again in our next video tutorials.